Good morning, students. Students, I am Abhishek from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Yes, students, in the previous class, we were discussing about Bismillah Khan, means how he started learning Shehnai, the playing of Shehnai instrument, and where he used to practice. He used to practice as the banks of Ganga River, and 2-3 spots were fixed for his practice, and he learned and fall in love with this instrument and its quality, sound quality, when he went to his maternal uncle. Now when he became expert in then what achievements did he achieve in his life, like when he was 14 years old, at the age of 14, he accompanied his uncle to the Allahabad music conference. So one music conference was held in Allahabad. So Bismillah Khan gave a company to his uncle when he was 14 years old. Then when in 1938 he was selected for All India Radio program in Lucknow. In Lucknow, All India Radio program was held in 1938, so he was selected for that. He was the first Indian to greet freedom with Shehnai on 15th August 1947. This question can arise that who greeted freedom on 15th August, or who greeted freedom using a musical instrument. So name the instrument also. These two questions can arise together. So the first Indian, Bismillah Khan, was the first Indian to greet freedom with Shehnai on 15th August 1947. The question can arise with this point, so keep it in mind. The King of Afghanistan fascinated with his music. King of Afghanistan was also got attracted with the sound of with the music of this Shehnai player. The film director Vijay Bhatt named. See, these are the achievements. First thing, he was the part of music conference in Allahabad. Then he got selected for All India Radio program Lucknow. Then he greeted freedom Shehnai on 15th August. Then he was very much, means he fascinated, or we can say he attracted the King of Afghanistan with his music. Then the film director Vijay Bhatt named a film after this instrument called Goonj Uthi Shehnai. So when means that seeing the qualities of the talent of Bismillah Khan, one film was also made by a film director Vijay Bhatt named as the Goonj Uthi Shehnai, and his composition Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. This was the composition made by the director on the life of Bismillah Khan. Become a nationwide chart buster. Chart buster means very popular. He was the first Indian to perform at Lincoln Central Hall in USA. In USA, the first Indian to perform Shehnai at Lincoln Central Hall in USA. He also participated in the World Exposition in Montreal and Osaka Trade Fair. Osaka Trade Fair and Montreal, these both are the international conference kind of program which takes place in auditorium, where he was a participant. It was at the world level. He was awarded with Padma Shri, then the Padma Bhushan, and then the Padma Vibhushan. He was awarded with Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. In 2001, finally he was awarded with Bharat Ratna also in 2001. And he said, teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. Music is Hindustan's richest tradition. So these were his achievements. Now we will see what was his love for India. What was his love for India, we can say. He had travelled all over the world, greatly attached to Banaras and Dumrao. He travelled all over the world, but since he started his life, his career in Shehnai instrument playing, so he was very much attached to Banaras and Dumrao, the village where he belongs to. he was unable to forget the sound made by Ganga in Banaras. Means what this statement means, he practiced it at the banks of Ganga river, so he was unable to forget everything. He had no desire to be settled in the foreign countries, no desire of settle down in foreign countries, though he used to visit it all over the world. But still, he loved India. He was the perfect example of rich cultural heritage of India, the richest cultural heritage of India, the great example set for the life of Bismillah Khan. He was awarded with Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan, and then in 2001 Bharat Ratna award also. He was the part of Allahabad Music Conference. He was selected for All India Radio program Lucknow. Then he greeted, this is the main point, he greeted freedom with Shehnai on 15th August 1947. A film was based on his life, was also directed by the director Vijay Bhatt, and also one composition Dil Ko Khilona Toot Gaya. This composition became the very popular, and then he was the first Indian to perform in USA at Lincoln Central Hall. Then he was a participant in Montreal and Osaka trade fair. He traveled all over the world, but still he had no desire to settle down in India, in foreign countries. So these are the achievements and his love towards India. Okay, so first we have studied about the lifestyle of Evelyn. Evelyn, you must be remember that she was physically handicapped, means she cannot hear and she cannot feel the music, but she listened the music, but she felt it by through each and every part of her body. Okay, then Bismillah Khan. So these two great personalities sets a very good example in front of us. We should learn something from them. We should be dedicated, motivated towards our goal. Okay, this chapter gives a very good message. So that's all for this class.